won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live it live. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swim, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun.
All right, y'all, so we are going to get my car organized using Dollar Tree products and Target Dollar Spot products. So I'm gonna lay these products out for you guys so you guys can see, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started on the cleaning because I have a lot to clean. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum. I have my Dyson here. I'm gonna vacuum, I'm gonna wipe down, and then we're gonna get to organizing with all these fun little things. All right, guys, so here is everything that I'm using for my car organization. Let me just explain to you really quick what all this is. So I have some bags. These I got from the Dollar Tree. This one I got from the Target Dollar Spot. These like acrylic ones, or I guess plastic, I don't know what you call this. Got these at the Target Dollar Spot. I found these cord holders, like they organize your like the cables at the Dollar Tree. I got some pens. I got some of these dental flosses. I have some sticky pads. I don't think I'm going to keep these in the car, but I just put them here. Now this is a bag handle. I got this at the Target Dollar Spot. I got these at the Dollar Tree. Flashlight, some scissors, my masks, and then wipes. And I'll be using these. These are all from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using these to clean the inside of the car and then the glass as well. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I feel like I'm missing something, but I will let you know if I did miss something to show you guys here how I'm going to organize my car.
Come live a little bit of what you dream.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today's video, I will be cleaning out my car. It was in desperate need of organization and in desperate need of cleaning. My husband also uses my car, so all his trash was in the car as well. I didn't do so much of like a really deep clean in the car. I just wanted to kind of clean the surface and then organize because you guys, there was so much stuff in my car. It was ridiculous, but I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I went and got things from the Dollar Tree and the Target Dollar Spot to organize my car. Now I don't have to organize for little kids. We have teenagers, so all they require in the car is a charger and their phone. So I don't have to organize for toddlers. I know a lot of I've seen a lot of YouTubers organize their car for little kids, like they have books and toys and things like that, but I don't need any of that stuff. But I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it's helpful. I hope it gives you ideas. If you enjoy it, leave it a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get into the video.
Come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun.
The memory of
Alright guys, so the front is cleaned, back seat is clean. So I have a third row, but I have all the products that I'm going to use. Let me show you. I have them all back here. So I need to clean the back of this trunk, but I can't let this down just yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and start organizing so I can go ahead and fill up everything up at the front so you can kind of see what I'm going to be using. And then afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and let this whole entire back seat down so I can vacuum this because this is dirty as well. So we're going to go ahead and start.
Alright guys, so I just wanted to hop on here really quick and just mention you don't need some super expensive product to organize with or get the fanciest thing. I went to the Dollar Tree and I went to the Target dollar spot and I ended up finding everything that I needed for me. Now, of course, everything that I have might not work for everyone because a lot of, some people have little kids, some people don't have any kids, or some people have, 10 kids. So there's different things that you can do in your vehicle to make sure that you have everything you need for your family. Now, I did forget to mention I do have a first aid kit. It's underneath this compartment right here. If you can see, it lifts up and underneath there is like, I think a spare tire maybe, I believe, and there's other things underneath there. I did not go into that because my husband had already organized that with what he needed in case of an emergency, and we do have emergency kits in both vehicles, but I did not show that. I completely forgot, but I did want to mention that you don't need anything fancy to organize yourself with. This is just stuff that worked for me and that was easy for me and things that I know that I would need in my car. For example, I always need a pen, and the other thing I did forget to put in here is my checkbook. I don't write checks, but my husband does take my car sometimes, and he does have to write checks for my stepkids' school as far as their lunches, or if he has to pay for tuition, he does use a check for that. But it's very rare that we use a check, but sometimes we're in the car and he's like, do you have a checkbook in the car? I'm like, no, I don't. So I did put a checkbook in my car. I just forgot it on this day. But you don't need anything too crazy to organize yourself or organize your life or anything like that. Just simple things that can make your life easier, whether you're in your home or whether it's in your car.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stayed too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay up night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a.
These wipes right here, y'all, they worked really great. I got them at the Dollar Tree. They worked just as well as if I would have gone to like AutoZone or anything like that. They worked amazing. They cleaned it up and they didn't have a bad like chemical smell. They smell like normal wipes or car wipes, but they worked really well. They got everything nice and clean and nice and shiny. So I definitely recommend picking up these wipes at the Dollar Tree.
Alright guys, now we're in my car. I also got these aren't from any Target, Dollar Spot, or Dollar Tree. I got these off of Amazon. They're little coasters. They're a bit small, but they work great. So I stick these in here. I have actually two more. They're in a bag since I was cleaning out my car, and that is why I did not want to film, because my dog does not know how to stop barking. Bella, please. No. Okay, so I have the two little cup coasters. I'm going to get the other two. This thing goes in here in my car somehow, some way. There you go, right there. So here's everything that I've gotten organized. So these came from Dollar Tree. They're magnets, so they're like stuck to each other. But this one has toothpicks, which I'm going to place in there. And then this is just change if we need any, which I'm going to put here. And then I have my masks in this. So I think I'm going to put that here. Well, maybe in the glove compartment. Now this little bag here, I ended up putting tampons and pads and a scissor and a flashlight, because you just never know when you're gonna need those things. This little bag right here has a notebook and pens, because you just never know when you're gonna need any of that stuff. So I think I'm going to put these things right here and this right here, and then this right here, I broke the little thing that goes up here, but I got this at a Target Dollar Spot. I got all these at a Target Dollar Spot, but this one has my hair ties, bobby pins, and then my chapstick, which I do have a few other chapsticks that I have to grab and put those in here, but I might change it and put something else in this one, but that's going in here as well. And then my mask. I'm not sure if I want to put the mask. Probably. I think I might end up putting the mask in there. Now, I'm going to put these. This goes here. I think that one goes there. And then the other one that I have plugs into here. So, like this. I am going to go ahead and show you what I got from the Dollar Tree. So, I picked these up. I picked up 2 of them. So I don't have this looking like a big mess with all these wires. I'm going to attempt to go ahead and roll them and see what happens. So let's do that. But never meant for preaching. I don't know where you're gonna head off to, but I know that you'll go where your heart's at. You might cross the sea. What will be, will be. Want to make this adventure with you. Alright, now we're going to put all this in here. That's manual stuff that belongs in there. I'm still debating where I want to put my mask. And of course, I have napkins as well that belong in the car. So I think I am going to just leave. These are just napkins that we get from like when we go through a drive-through. So I think I'm just going to leave these loose because we're always just needing to pull one of these out. So I think I'm going to put my mask probably, I'm not sure. I think I might probably move this because this has all like my femme products and the scissor and a flashlight. I'm going to stick these there along with my masks. And then I did find my chapstick. And I think I'm sticking that right here, which this actually works great, that I kind of messed it up a little bit because it just kind of like stays open and I can just kind of dig in here and just like pull out a hair tie. And I did find some extra hair ties, so I'm just gonna stick those in there. And then this has a little notebook and a pen, and then that stays there. And I think I'm going to stick this in this bag that has all my girl products, just because I think it'd be better if I can get this unzipped here, you guys. All right, y'all, the car is clean. Sorry for the birds in the background. But this was more of an organization, not too much of a cleaning, but let me show you. So this is what I did. I have change in here, and then floss sticks in this little one. In here, this little bag has my chapsticks, hair ties, and any bobby pins if I need them. And then this little bag right here has a notebook with pens because we always need pens. And here I have my little car coasters. And then these I got at a Dollar Tree as well. They work pretty great for right now. I mean, it keeps all the wires out of the way here. And in here, I ended up with the napkins here. Car manual. This is where my masks are, and then this bag has feminine products, Motrin, a flashlight, and scissors, because we always need scissors for something. And that is it as far as organizing. Let me show you the trunk. So back here, I don't have much trunk space because we do have a third row. So yeah, so whenever we don't have all the kids, I always let this down and I have space. But these are all my bags that I use when I go to the grocery store. I go to Aldi a lot, so I do have a bunch of bags here, and then battery stuff. And that is it for my car, you guys. There wasn't a lot that I had to do. I really wanted to wipe down. I don't have little kids, so I don't need those extra items for toddlers or anything like that. All our kids are grown. I just kind of wanted to organize myself up front. But yeah, that is it. And then here's what I took out. I was planning to put things like this, sanitizer wipes in the car, but once it starts getting hot, these things dry out. So I'd rather just keep them somewhere where I can grab them, like in my laundry room, and then come and clean the car. But these things worked really great. I do want to try these, but that's probably when I wash my car. My car did not get like a deep cleaning just now. It was more like organizing. But I am missing a few things, so I will probably hop on here tomorrow and kind of finish up, kind of showing you how I want to organize, because I know I'm missing some things that I bought for this organization, but I can't find them. So we're gonna go ahead and pick this up, and then I will pick this back up tomorrow.
All right, y'all. So it turns out the only thing I forgot were these breath strips. So I ended up putting these in the container where I have my floss sticks. I don't chew gum, so these work great for me. That is it for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas on how to organize your car. If you enjoyed the video, leave it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.